gonna put the exhaust on. How are you doing?
Hey man, what's up? I like this. How much is it?
This one? I got it for about 25. Yeah. They're about 30-ish.
Yeah, how you come in? You just act like a nigga don't exist.
But
like Christopher Columbus being like, hey, I just discovered this. Everybody get the fuck out. This is mine.
alright, we gotta do a sound check of the before and after.
We're actually doing this right now?
Yeah. I'm not going if I'm not putting this exhaust on. That's the only reason I decided to go. Actually, huh? It's actually not bad for a stock exhaust. Yeah, it's stock.
Yeah, that's long.
Gee, you got one too?
That's what she said.
Ha ha ha. All right, that's good. But what are you doing? What are you doing? You don't need to take all that off. It's literally just. This is already no cables. Crackhead, put it back on. It's this one right here, and this one right here. That's it. Then slides out, slide back in, done.
That's what she said.
Yeah, exactly. Easy, in, out. You're not good with that, huh, Gigi?
He learned that from his boyfriend.
How much is it?
Got it for 1,000.
1,000. This
Yeah.
is worth it for us for 1,000, I think.
Full titanium. SC Projects. One of the best companies.
That is a fucking good weld.
Yeah. It's the same exhaust on my Ducati.
I won't talk shit about shit that's made right. This shit's made right, son.
It's gonna sound badass too.
Touching this. Well, wipe it down with.
Yeah, we'll wipe it down when we put it on. Okay, watch out. Give me the gloves. Don't drop it or do not hit my swing arm.
Yeah, get that.
There you go.
Coming up loose it. Yeah, that's what I like.
No, you were doing it good. You're doing it good. Just.
You said don't hit your swing arm.
Oh, okay. Very
Next
nice.
time from there now.
What? Oh yeah, the clamp. The clamp right here.
You know, G, honestly, we should use football.
This is technically a 3/4 system because it's a D-cat. So there's no cat. There's nothing. It's straight pipe pretty much.
I like that though.
Yeah. Yeah, you're the one with the gloves, homie.
What is retail? Make sure you put it on the retail 1,000.
Huh?
Is retail 1,000?
I don't know. That's how much I got it for.
Retail, that's tough.
Wait, that's it? That's all we have to do?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's super easy. Can you move the clamp? You put it on, like, twist it to this side. Okay, that's good. That's good. We have to clean it up too before. No, hold on. Yeah. There.
You gotta get that.
Hold on. Before you tighten that, hold on a sec. What the hell?
Yeah. You don't have something. It's missing.
It should just go on. Something's wrong.
What are all these for?
These are just the bolts for that. It should have just mounted.
The amazing world
Are you sure
of
it doesn't go anything more?
California Motorsport.
Nope.
What brand is this? This is the Aprilia.
1100 factory.
No, I'm not missing anything.
Never go back. That's why I'm going that way.
Isn't that right, man?
I do not know.
Let's take a quick break and talk about today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare can help you make 2022 a year of new learning, growth, and connection through creativity. It's an online learning community with thousands of inspiring and creative classes for anyone who loves learning. If you have a specific skill that you're trying to learn, Skillshare is the perfect place to start. I personally took this class. In my opinion, it just helped me portray my personality better for you guys in my videos and definitely taught me a few editing tricks. The first 1,000 of my viewers to sign up and use my code AMK or the link down in the description below will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today.
All right.
I'll do all that shit once I
Update. So, taking off the bracket for the stock exhaust. My very smart friend decided to leave a rag on an extremely hot exhaust and now it melted on it.
Why did you get scratched?
Sure. But anyways, we learned that the RSV4 1100 factory has a different rear set right here. It doesn't have a bracket that stands out. Even though this is said that this is supposed to fit my exhaust or my bike, it did not. The bracket is right here. This is all I have. This is the entire exhaust. I have a couple bolts that are supposed to mount here, but that's with the regular RSV4's rear set, not this one. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably buy an OEM regular RSV4 rear set, which look identical. It just has an extra like bracket, or maybe there's a hole right here. I see a hole right here. I don't know if
Yeah, see, we can just put something there. We'll
like that, or
fab something.
or just get this, something like that. But
Tomorrow and I'll look.
yeah, that is off. Keep that with that, just right there. Oh, it's looking much cleaner. And we just clamp this very, very hard. I have no idea if it's gonna fly off or not, but you guys will find out. If it does fly off, then oh well. It's titanium. Yeah, that'll be on the next episode if it flies off or not. For now, let's see how it sounds. It's yeah, it's pretty hot still probably. But bye bye acro. That got ruined already. We'll try to clean it up somehow.
I'm going in, Doc.
Go, 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 go.
Hot potato.
Yeah, please, he ruined my exhaust. Just put it in on his.
If I don't fix it, I'll put it in another one. I'll wait for your new SC project.
Oh. All right. Let's see how this.
You know what's better than SC project? The test. That's right.
All right, let's see how it sounds.
Get 1G. There you go. There you go.
I hope it doesn't fly off. Fingers crossed. I think we're all happy with that.
Mine's still louder.
And it hasn't moved a tiny bit. This is very sketch, but oh well, we got a meat to catch. As soon as I go up, it's gonna be straight piped. Oh, my neighbor's gonna hate me. We also cleaned up the pipes, so there's no fingerprints or anything like that. So hopefully everything is good. I literally debated like returning it because I'm like, what is this? What am I gonna do with this? But we'll make it work. And next up after this is, well, putting the bracket on and all that, but then tuning the bike. Squad! He's gonna get his bike stage 2 Brent tuned, and then I'm gonna get mine too Brent tuned. This Aprilia, my S1000 is already stage 2 Brent tuned. Oh yeah. That exhaust is loud. I'm so gonna get in trouble with this. It just allows like idling, you know? Squad. We're already gonna get kicked out from here. Oh my god, this is so loud. I think it's still in place, I don't know. it echoes. Wow, it's under 6, 5.999. Still under 6 for once. Good thing I filled up.
Excuse me, sir. Would you mind if I ask?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I do nothing. I just ride my friends' vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah,
Also,
I work the pump every now and then too.
aspiring to, get into social media. What can I do to do nothing?
Twerk.
That's right. Right. You know what? I would put like an OnlyFans sticker right on that.
That would be really funny. When this bike gets tuned, it's gonna feel way better. Squad. Oh, what did we just run into? I saw some comments and you guys said you missed the night rides with not a lot of talking or rides in general. He's saying he's shooting flames. And of course my camera is dying, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe.